The night we arrived in Taiwan, Sathan and I and filmmaker Ju Wang went to the Sea Goddess Temple. Sat and I had come to Taiwan to do research on Journey to the West. To our surprise, at the entrance to the Sea Goddess Temple were the characters from Journey to the West. Inside the temple, people were praying to Kuan Yin, goddess of compassion. Her name means she who perceives the suffering of the world. It is she who guides Monkey King on his many perilous adventures throughout Journey to the West. The next morning, we set out to find Monkey King's temple. We had been told there was no such thing as a Monkey King temple. But lo and behold, we found it.
Together.
Where did you get it?
Together.
Oh, together.
That afternoon, when we returned to Taipei, we found a second Monkey King temple, which was next to our friend Ju Wang's childhood home, and she had never known it existed. We made an appointment to meet 2 nights later with the trance priest of the temple.
算你们运气好。
We have good karma to meet
为什么？这个人很有福报。
He has a good karma. You have great karma, good merit.
为什么我说他有福报？
Why do you have good merit?
他研究佛法啦，
That you studied Buddhism
好多年了。
many years. You can see. So, she say, if you have any question, ask.
Why am I doing monkey?
他为什么现在做这个齐天大圣的影片同埋表演？他为什么在这里？
我给你解答一下嘛。哦，谁的累世牵挂就是每一代嘛。
You have many lives. You have the great sage. Hold the monkey. There's 4 words.
有求必良。
有求 when you see, it will really come true.
你要这个资金，我讲的嘛，叫 cash 嘛。
Cash. It's a cash. You need cash.
I know.
哦，
I know.
他会助他一臂之力，有这一尊火啦。
You have to keep the Buddha of the monkey Buddha.
哦，他只要一高兴的话，
If you're happy,
硬来了，
then you can turn your luck around.
硬面，
愿意
不要命运。
Do not let life drive you. Drive life.
OK 啊，LIFE 嘛。我想这样的话，你看，
Okay life. Okay life.
2 days later, we had the honor to meet Mr. Shun. My book and
This is他的
yeah.
连这个都要。
From the time he was 7, his father, who had been the director of the Beijing Opera for Journey to the West, had trained him.
Change from here to there.
His entire life, he performed Monkey King.
Again, let him do the
身
monkey
体
for a long
身体
time.
不一样。
Can you do the monkey more? If you were to give me 3 gestures
你教他3个
that you think are monkey, what would be the
3个
3 gestures?
你如
The
果要
essence.
选择3个孙悟空最基本的身段。
Mr. Shun is 64 years old. He now directs productions of Journey to the West.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
他想写这个。
Look up.
One more time.
The teacher.
Can you do it? He's teaching me the movements of Kuan Yin.